How AI is changing data centers forever. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing how data centers operate, making them smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever before. As data demands grow exponentially due to cloud computing, IoT, big data, and edge computing, AI is becoming essential to manage the complexity, cost, and performance of modern data centers. 1. Automation and efficiency. AI enables automation of repetitive and time-consuming tasks like system monitoring, load balancing, resource provisioning, and security checks. AI algorithms can make real-time decisions to allocate computing resources more efficiently, ensuring optimal performance and energy usage without human intervention. For example, AI can automatically spin up or shut down virtual machines based on usage patterns, helping reduce power consumption and hardware strain. 2. Predictive maintenance. Traditional data centers rely on scheduled maintenance or reactive repairs, which can lead to costly downtime. AI introduces predictive maintenance by analyzing sensor data from servers, storage, and cooling systems to identify issues before they lead to failure. This proactive approach helps prevent unexpected outages, extend hardware lifespan, save operational costs. Companies like Google use AI to monitor their data centers and predict hardware failures with impressive accuracy. 3. Energy optimization. Data centers consume massive amounts of energy. AI plays a crucial role in reducing their environmental impact by optimizing power usage. Through machine learning, AI can adjust cooling systems, airflow, and server workloads in real time based on temperature, humidity, and power draw. Google, for instance, reduced its cooling energy by up to 40% using DeepMind AI, resulting in significant cost and carbon savings. 4. Enhanced security. AI enhances data center security through intelligent threat detection. It continuously monitors traffic, user behavior, and system logs to detect anomalies, cyber attacks, and potential breaches in real time. Unlike traditional security systems, AI adapts to new threats dynamically, making it more effective against evolving cyber threats like zero-day attacks or ransomware. 5. Capacity planning and forecasting. AI helps data center operators predict future capacity needs by analyzing usage trends, application behavior, and customer demand. This allows for smarter investments in infrastructure, avoiding over-provisioning or underutilization of resources. AI-driven insights also aid in planning data center expansion or consolidation based on actual data instead of guesswork. 6. Smarter edge and hybrid environments. As edge computing grows, managing decentralized mini data centers becomes more complex. AI simplifies the management of edge and hybrid environments by enabling autonomous operations, remote monitoring, and instant decision-making at the edge, ensuring low-latency performance and uptime. Final thoughts. AI is no longer a futuristic idea. It's a core driver of modern data center evolution. From reducing energy costs and improving uptime to enhancing security and automating operations, AI is transforming data centers into intelligent, self-optimizing ecosystems. As technology advances, AI will continue to redefine how data centers are designed, operated, and scaled, forever changing the foundation of digital infrastructure.